In this video, we will discuss the mountain stream strategy for opening 1-minute trades. This strategy is applicable for fixed time trading. It is effective for 1+ minute time frames. The strategy is based on WMA and average directional index indicators, which help to determine chart direction. To open a trade, you need to identify the signal. When an uptrend prevails, the plus DI line is directed upwards. If the WMA line is also directed upwards at this point, we open an up trade. Vice versa, when a downtrend prevails, the minus DI line is directed upwards. If the WMA line is directed downwards at this point, we open a down trade. Let's try our strategy in practice. In this example, we will open a chart for the Euro-Australian dollar currency pair in fixed time mode and set chart time frame to 1 minute. Let's now switch to the indicator section and select the Trading Strategies tab. We will use the Mountain Stream strategy. The WMA line has appeared along the price chart, and the average directional index indicator has opened below the chart. The required settings are applied automatically. To open a down trade, we wait until the WMA line reverses downwards, while the minus DI line reverses upwards. Open a 3 to 5 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. To open an up trade, wait until the WMA line reverses upwards while the plus DI line reverses upwards. Open a 2 to 5 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. Trade on the Olymp platform using strategies to get maximum results.